From London, I'm Guy Johnson.
And from New York, I'm Bonnie Quinn. This is Bloomberg Markets. Time now for Futures in Focus. Chris Gersch of Bell Curve Capital joins us now from the CME. Chris, another down day for oil. It seems like there are no bullish factors going into the price of oil right now. Do you see any?
No, I don't. Oil fell out a bit again. Overnight, it kind of held up slightly down, but all of a sudden we had some huge follow through in the last 2 hours where it broke below that 55 handle and all the way down to 54.50. We saw some key resistance here at this level, but if it goes through 54.50, we don't see any real bids in the tree right now to about 54.20. So obviously another 2% down day is big news for oil.
Where do you see this stopping? I mean, we got more inventory data this week, which suggested that inventories were actually down, which you would think would be a bullish factor, and it wasn't. So where does this price drop end?
Well, the price drop could end really with Baker Hughes report coming out. If you see any rig count around the 650 range or below that, I think you could see a bump up. But right now, all the momentum is lower, and you're having a strong dollar that's obviously carrying the commodities as a whole lower. So right now, we're seeing really no potential buying all the way down to about 54.20 as far as the big bids coming in.
Chris, how much have you guys been talking about coronavirus at the CME this week, and how much has it been weighing not just on oil but commodities generally?
Yeah, coronavirus, you know, reports have come out that it was going to be about $3, three handles for WTI. We've already seen that come off. What we are seeing is in natural gas, you know, besides WTI and the crude complex pulling that down, we're at lows we haven't seen since March 2016. So despite WTI's movement that gets a lot of attention, natural gas being at these historical lows during a very cold time here in the U.S. Is really surprising. So that's kind of what's getting most chatter.
Chris, thank you for joining us today, this Friday. Chris Gersch of Bell Curve Capital from the CME. Guy.